Well, look what I got. It's old, and I suspect it's cheap. It's a mess. I don't want to break more off than needs to be, but you can see it's just coming off, you know? So, I just don't care at all about this. Can I just dab some Cone 5 glaze on some of these spots here? And really, it's the handles that are the most chipped up, and fire this thing. What would happen? This is an old bottle I had, but it should be a pretty close match if it actually works. You see, I put some little tiles around the edge just to make sure you hold it up a little bit more. And hopefully in the morning we will not have a hot mess of red enamel all over that shelf. Alright, it is the next morning. We hit 2160 degrees. Well, I'm glad I put these tiles down here to protect the shelf. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is crazy. Not as gnarly, but still pretty unbelievable. So, there you go. How to not enamel cast iron in your kiln.